This cake is leche flan on top of suman. Let's prepare the malagkit rice. Soak the rice in enough water to cover it about 1 inch deep. Cover, then set aside overnight. Let's start on the leche flan. Melt sugar in a 6-inch cake pan over low heat. Be ready to swirl. Once one part starts to caramelize, the rest of the sugar will follow quickly. So swirl, swirl, and swirl some more until the entire sugar layer is completely melted and golden amber in color. Transfer to a heat pad to cool completely. Make the custard by mixing egg yolks, sweetened condensed milk, and evaporated milk in a bowl. Use a spatula to gently mix the ingredients without making too many bubbles. Pass this through a sieve or strainer to remove any lumps and make a smooth leche flan. Pour the leche flan batter into the prepared cake pan. Cover with foil, then steam until cooked through. Cool, then chill in the refrigerator overnight. Time to make the kakanin. Use a strainer with a fine mesh to drain the water from the soaked rice. Let it sit a minute or two before transferring to a saucepan. Add water, sugar, and salt, and stir to combine. Place over medium heat and then lower heat to simmer the rice until tender. Stir occasionally to prevent the rice from sticking. Once tender, remove from the heat and let cool until warm. To assemble, gently add the suman mixture on top of the leche flan with a spoon. Smooth it out. Cover it again and chill overnight. To serve, help the cake easily release by running an offset spatula around the sides of the pan. Any long and thin utensil, like a small knife, will work too. Quickly flip the cake onto a serving plate and then gently remove the pan to reveal the cake. Serve this with a hot cup of coffee. Then slice and serve. Enjoy!